how-tos.
Hi, I'm Michelle Adams. I am a yoga instructor and I'm here with the Desire Company. And this is how to use a yoga strap. So yoga straps are wonderful in helping you get deeper into positions. Also, they're wonderful when we just can't get to a position, when we can't reach our foot, and this can make your arm a little bit longer. First of all, it's really easy. So we've got the 2 loops. You feed it through one loop, bring it over the top and under the other. So it's quick and easy to adjust. You can just pull it up. Oh, I need a little bit tighter. Pull it tighter, bring it back. So it doesn't take long, it doesn't take away from your practice, and you can keep a good flow. So for this one, I'm just making a small loop. Doesn't really matter how big. And what I can do is when I'm laying back and I'm trying to work on stretching my splits, and I can't reach my foot, say it's too far away from me right now, or I want to take it a little bit deeper, I can loop it around my foot and start walking my hands up the strap to pull it a little deeper and deeper. Same with if we're going across our body, or if we're going the other direction. It gives us a little more pull and a little more ability to be gentle with ourselves. If you feel you can take something a little further, or you're missing something, or you can never actually get to your foot, whatever the case is, this will help you out a lot.